my YouTube channel, The Camera Center. Here I'll be uploading my photographs which I have taken, and even I'll be giving you the ideas what I have done to make my photographs look much beautiful and smart. So let's rock it. Photography. What really photography is? Photography is an art to express the things in a different way. It's a way to speak without words. Then what is photographs? Photograph is something freezing the motion, or we can say freezing the time. Yes, we can say it. Like for example, on any occasion, we click a lot of pics, and after that, when we see it later on, we remember all those days, and we imagine that those days how amazing or how sad, even whatever we can say. So we can say it in a simple way, freezing of time, right? So now I'm going to show you all few of my photographs which I have taken. This is the first shot. I have taken this shot in the morning time, near about 5 or 6 o'clock. It's in summer, not even summer and not even winter, in the mid, we can say it is in spring. So here the most important thing which I feel is the human figure. You all can see the human figure made the scenery or the view look much beautiful, and you can even see the symmetry of the road. It's in a proper way in the middle, and even the sunlight which is coming, the rays made the human figure look much bright, right? Please comment and tell how is this pic. This is the second shot which I have taken. In this shot, I have kept a table and I have decorated a bunch of flowers at the edge of the table, and the sunlight which is coming on the table reflected it, and even on the flowers, so the flowers look more attractive. I have edited it through a app which is named as Lightex. In this third photo, if I talk about, in this I have not done very much of extra thing. See, here I have just darkened the edges and focused in the mid, only this much, and a filter had been used here. And see, what is this? In this shot, there are two temples, small temples in a village, and the shot was taken there. I just tried to make the figure look a horror type of scene. So this is the last shot for today. This shot was taken from a well where the lotus were being planted there. The most important thing which I like for this photo is the reflection of the leaves and flowers on the water surface, and also this photo is edited through Lightex. So for today only this much. How were these photos and photographs? Please comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.